Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer your photo from your phone to your laptop. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's see how we easily transfer photo from our phone to our laptop. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out this particular wire right here, this particular USB cord wire right here. So having bring out your USB cord wire, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you insert this particular mouth port right here. Insert it on your PC right here. Once you insert it on your PC, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and connect it with your phone. So under the charging point mount right here, go ahead and make sure you insert it right here. So make sure it's inserted. Once you insert it, the phone is going to give an indication that the phone is charging. Okay, so once it gives you indication of charging, next thing you want to do is to swipe down this way, swipe down, then swipe down again, and make sure you look for charging this device via USB. Tap on that, then charging this device via USB, tap on it again, and it's going to take you right here. Now what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on file transfer via Android Auto. Click on that. Then go ahead and enter your lock pattern or security. And in a few seconds, it's going to be connected to your PC. Okay. So once it connects, a folder or file is going to pop up on your screen, just like what you see right here. Now we can easily move all photos from our phone to our laptop for easy transfer. And for that, what we want to do here now is to go ahead and then locate the file that we want to get some photo from. However, in some cases, if you try to connect your USB with your PC like this, if this file here is not pumped up, there is a way you can easily locate them. And for you to locate them, just go ahead and open a folder on your PC, but make sure you connect them together with the wire, with the USB wire. And once you open the folder right here, then what you want to do is to minimize this. So what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this PC. So once you click on this PC, then it's going to take you to here. Now you will have the name of your device that you connect to the PC via the USB cord. Okay, so here I'm using Redmi A3L. So we can simply double click on it to open the file folder. So we have two internal right here, just like this. So just like this one that pump up right here. So this is another way by which you can get to the folder of that particular phone that you connect. Now let's see how we can easily move the photo from the phone to laptop. So I'm going to get some photo from this particular internal share storage right here. Click on the internal share storage and press enter key on your PC, and it's going to take you to everything you have in that particular storage. Okay, so allow it to load up. Once it's loaded up, and make sure your cord was not disconnected from your phone until you are done with everything. Next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and go to your pictures or anywhere you have that particular photo that you want to move from your phone to your PC. So here we go. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open up my screenshot sections right here. So once everything is loaded up from your photo section, select a particular photo that you want to transfer from your phone to your PC. So here, you can transfer as many as possible photo, but in this tutorial, I will go ahead and just select some randomly photo right here. So I'm going to press Shift key on my keyboard and downward arrow key just to select as many as possible photo. Having select, I will right click on it. Then I will go ahead and hit on copy. Then I'm going to simply minimize right here, and I will go ahead and paste it into a new folder. So I'm going to open this particular folder right here. Then I'm going to simply maximize. Then go ahead and right click. Then look for paste. So in a few seconds, all the photo is going to be transferred and copy successful from my phone to my PC folder right here. Just like what you see right here, I was able to transfer about 5 different photo right there into my PC. So once you transfer everything, next thing you can do is to disconnect your USB port from the phone. Disconnect it. Once you disconnect it from your PC also, and you still retain your photo in your PC right here. You can see we still have the photo right here. So which simply means that we have successfully moved all this photo from our phone into our laptop. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.